Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be discussing about some of the trades. Okay, some of the good trades for the last 3 days, I think, on Euro, USD, gold, and NAS100. Okay, so basically, what you are looking at is a 4-hour chart of gold, that is XAUUSD. We'll be discussing on the trade that I took on Thursday, that is uh, daily, I think. It that is 29th May 2025. Okay. So basically going to the trade, this is the day. You can see we have a fair value gap opened up there. There is 4-hour fair value gap, and on daily we are bullish, and this specific day, okay, we came to this daily fair value gap. Going to 4-hour chart, you have this unmitigated fair value gap plus this liquidity resting below here. Okay, so this is a high probable trade. Okay, that's the reason I entered. And the way you can see, it went down, uh, when VIX went down the 4-hour fair value gap, but the body stayed inside. But this is not the part. Okay, so going to for 1 hour, that is. Sorry, I think the trade was on Thursday. Okay, sorry, not Thursday. It was on Wednesday. That is, trade was on 28th. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. No. Sorry. Actually, it was on 29th. Okay, it is a New York local time. That's it. And after it is creating some highs, you can see this. Sorry, I mistake. Okay, it's a trade that happened on Thursday. Okay. So here on 4-hour, we just went below this 4-hour fair value gap, but manages to be stayed across the midpoint of this fair value gap. And while coming back, you can see this 1-hour fair value gap. Oh shit! 1 second. Sorry, we had a 1-hour fair value gap there. The trade happened on Asian section. Okay, so directly going into 5-minute chart. This was that 1-hour fair value gap. Okay, this fair value gap. This was that 1-hour fair value gap. But actually, I took a trade on uh, 2-minute chart. Okay, so basically, if you just draw the Fibonacci level from here, from this low to this high, you will see this 0.72 to 0.69 range. Okay, this range. I think I have uh, mentioned these levels in my previous video, so you can check if you just go back to the some of the videos. Okay, I don't know which was the video. Just so basically going to 1-minute chart. Not here. Okay, yeah. Going to this 1-minute chart, what we have is this fair value gaps. Okay, this one, this fair value gap, but precisely if you go to 2-minute chart of this one, Mm, yeah, here. Yeah, this was the chart. Okay, this was that swing low. That is the swing low, the swing high. Which will just the swing high to the swing low. You see this 2 minute fair value gap. This is where the entry should be first, but I just took a position from this. This is a 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, given a structure shift here, so there was one 4 hour fair value gap here, making stop loss just right below these candles. And again, entering from this 2 minute fair value gap again. And I don't know if I, oh shit. Mm. From first entry from this 4 minute value gap, second entry from the 2 minute, but the precise entry I will show you. Precise entry should be from this 2 minute fair value gap because uh, from entering from here, making target above this high. I think yeah, this high. Yeah, almost. I just above this high. Okay. So the reason why I put this is the target is when I entered from here, I just looked for a 2 hour. Okay. Entry here, stop loss below here. Target I just looked for 2 hour. Okay. So my 2 hour will be here. That's the reason I just put there. When I again entered from here, again I just wished for only 2 hour. Okay, but for my 4 minute, the 2 hour is here. Okay, that's the reason I just put the target here. But the stop loss were same. But if I had put uh, like a entry, if I had taken the entry from here, I would have just 2 hour will be somewhere around here or here, somewhere like that. Okay. So if you just took the trade from this position, that is from the 2 hour position, okay, 2 minute position, you could get and stop loss below it. This is almost 2.8 something. Okay, that's a 2 hour run. Okay, but I just put the target above here. Okay, somewhere around here. You could get almost 6 hour trade. That was a 6 hour trade. Okay, I think you got that entry criteria and all. But and again, there is one more entry. Okay, so let's say you miss this entry from here. Okay, and on 1 hour again. Again, this fair value gap within this 4 hour, I can 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, and sorry guys for that small pause. Okay, so what I was pointing out is this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, between these three candles that was in a London section. Okay, so basically going again to 1 minute chart. Uh, That is that 1 hour chart. Okay, so not it is not basically starts from here. No, I mean that this fair value gap is from here only. Okay, after this candle. Okay, oh, that is you have a short time low here. Just took out this low, took out this low again. The market gave a structure shift again, but I didn't enter from this spots or anything. Okay, so calculating the deviation from this low to this high. the what do you say? The POI below the 50 percentage is this fair value gap, right? So it came to this fair value gap and price pushed again with the small uh, bullishness, creating uh, this fair value gaps. Okay, so basically for the next, you could enter from directly from when it came price came back to any of these levels. Okay, basically here making stops just below these short-term highs, short-term lows, and targeting to R. Or you could target any of this untaken high. Oh no, you can target either this high also. Okay, if you could take that as your first target, look for the other target you have here, you have here, you have here, here. So before the section, New York opens, I think this is the best target. Or uh, yeah, almost you can take up to here, okay, because New York starts early here. So it's almost 7 hour. And if you're basically just started from here, you will get this 7 hour plus almost 10 hour plus in this trade. Okay. Almost 17-hour trade on that day itself. So basically that was the trade. I didn't trade anything on Friday on gold. Okay. Basically going to Euro USD. What you're seeing here is the same price more action that happened likewise for gold. Okay. I'll go to 4 hour. You just took out these lows when not the date, okay, 15 or 19th May 5 p.m. Okay, but GU was not able to. 19th May 5 p.m. is somewhere here. Okay, yeah, this low. EU was able to take out these lows. Okay, but GU is way still far from here. Okay, so it created an SMT and more more of that. It was in a fair value gap. So, okay, I think daily fair value gap. Yeah, it was in a daily bullish fair value gap. So going back to EU, I don't know where I have taken the trades. Okay, yeah, somewhere around here. No, no trades on this particular day in paper trading. Okay. So you have the 1 hour fair value gap here. We are in a bullish fair value gap on GU. Going back to 1 minute. This was at 1 hour fair value gap price action. Price went taking this all the sell side liquidities given a structure shift here with an order block here. Price came back to again measuring the standard deviation from this low to this height for the entry. These levels are significant. Okay, so you have this fair value gap and this order block around this area. So you could either take an entry from this bullish order block directly from here, making stops just right below this and hope for Now, if there are these kinds of relative equalize, you can just uh, wait for it to take out these highs, okay, these relative equal highs. That gives you a 2.6 hour trade. So, okay, that's a good trade on Thursday. Thursday was a good day, okay. No major news, fine day for trading. That was the but like if you could hold it a little bit longer, you could have get bigger targets or get bigger R's. Okay, I can entry from here. We just exited our position from here, but again on London, I guess, or on New York, I think it came back here, gone. Show. Oh, that's it. And but on Nasdaq, there were many good trades. Okay, so basically. Yeah, here. You see this one. This was also happened on Thursday. Okay, many good rates happened on Thursday. Okay, so before going with that, I want to show you this one. Okay, I think I don't know if I have posted it or no. Let's go to your YouTube and check. What was that date? Wednesday, right? Mm, 27. No, I didn't post it on. Wait a second. Wait. Yeah, sorry. I have already talked that in the previous video. Okay, so basically we are focusing on this day. Okay, so I have told you that the price action on this day. Okay, Wednesday, this moment. Okay, so basically we are on to what that days. Okay, so basically this is a daily fair value gap here. Okay, price came to the daily. We are expecting for any then we are expecting for it any momentum or anything like that in short, shorter time frame. Okay, and here you go. Actually, there was no entry in 1 hour or anything. We have many fair values still open, but there is one. This fair value gap was mitigated. Okay, so just see this fair value gap was mitigated. Fine. So going to a smaller time frame. When this fair value gap was mitigated, you see this sudden up, like bearish momentum, creating this huge volume balance plus this fair value gap. If you want to try something, you could just take a short position from this fair value gap instead making what this high as target because it took out a good high and we want a structure shift from here, okay, and a good fair value gap plus volume balance. You could just hold the trade for uh, some good lows are here. Okay, this lows are here. Okay, so basically that's not what I did. Okay, there you go. For 9:30, 9:30 starts here. Okay, after 9:30, we don't consider the fair value gap which created by 9:30 scan. Okay, we need to check the first presented fair value gap which was created after 9:30. Okay, so I don't think. Yeah, here you go. This was the first presented fair value gap after 9:30. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's say we have some kind of portion down there. Yeah, we have a good portion here. This is the first fair value gap, present fair value gap after 9:30. Okay. You could take an entry from the rejection. When you see this rejection and closed below this fair value and the next candle, you could take the entry and stop loss just above this short time high. Target for around 2 hour or the next available liquidity somewhere here, like that. Okay, this was not an absolute. Okay, don't consider this is a absolute one. Okay, but not absolute. Okay. Then this fair value gap have some significance in this market. Okay, this first presented fair value gap after 9:30. Okay, note that point in your trading career. So I think I have only taken that gold rate in my account actually, but I have taken some random uh, trade in my this Geo and EU that made a small loss extra day 1% down. Okay, I will show you that. Uh, these two trades was the last trade that this was that gold trade. Okay, the two gold trade uh, I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Okay, and this was the Friday trade that I don't know. Okay, the shit trades. Okay, I'm almost down by 2% now, and as you can see, my current balance is 9,800. It was a 10K account. Many losses, some good trades. Yeah, that's all for the day, I think. Yeah, wait, I will show you that shit trades. I don't know, it was like an ego, guys. So it was an ego because I didn't get the trades that was kind of ego. Okay, I think I sold that. Okay, it was not a perfect. I know it was not perfect, but my ego took that shit. I don't want to explain it to you, okay? Because trade was simple. Okay, there was 1 hour fair value gap here somewhere on GU. Okay, GU. You see this 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, this one. 1 hour fair value gap. Uh, I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to waste that your time on that. Okay, just end this video right now. So that was the goal. I think the goal trade that I told you. You got it right. So that's for the video. Okay. So I'm not well for the last few days. That's why I didn't make a video. Having a fever. I think it's corona or something like that. So see you on the next video. Okay.